on this episode of Doorbell News.
Harris County Constables, it's the police.
What the hell are you doing at my house? You're on camera.
Hey!
Hey! Guys, come on.
Okay, I will.
Man, why you acting like this?
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Looks like this garbage truck lost control and hit a patch of black ice or something. Better be careful, it's that time of the year. A man tried to steal a cash register from a Syracuse pharmacy.
Hold on, bro. It's a dog right here, bro. Hey! Hey! Stop! Stoney! Stoney! Come here! Stoney, come on! Help! Stoney, come on, help!
This is what happens when you leave moisture under your house. What starts as a small moisture issue can quickly turn into a foundation problem, mold growth, and a health hazard for your family.
Jesus fucking Christ!
This happened in Michigan, and I believe this guy's insurance company didn't want to cover the damage. The caption said, "Progressive was unhelpful. I ended up having to contact the lady's insurance and do everything myself. Michigan is a no-fault state, but Progressive is a no-responsibility company. Progressive even called me after I had taken care of everything to tell me that the lady that hit me had no insurance."
I need a Chinaman bowl, Chinaman bowl, Chinaman bowl, Chinaman, Chinaman bowl, Chinaman bowl. Chinaman bowl, Chinaman bowl.
Chinaman Bo. He doesn't look Chinese. Get lost!
I just if maybe felt like getting some God darn it! Listen! Are you okay? That's what I was just telling you. Am I burnt? No. Come on, get the mama. I mean, if you could get the gas gun, that'd be fucking great. Yeah, I'm burnt.
Better get a fire extinguisher.
Yeah, I'm burnt. That's why I said you had to do like I do. You like to say.
Wait, Shadow. Come here.
This neighbor was nice enough to bring back her neighbor's dog after it got loose. This is the kind of neighbor that I'd like to have. The neighbor said, "My dog got out and this angel brought him back. She went through the trouble of putting him in the backyard since we were not home. That's the type of neighbor I'd like to have."
Make sure you hit the like button.
This next video, this guy catches a thief in the act. Let's see what happens.
What are you doing in here, man? No, that's you. Sorry, I was just thinking this way. You were here last night at 4 in the morning, right? Yeah, don't come back here. Right. Thank you. Go.
Yeah. Get lost! Minneapolis, Minnesota.
Oh my God! Hey, guys, come on! Wait, hey, stop it! Seriously?
The neighbor said, "Watch out for these 4 kids who thought it was funny to forcefully take the candy bowl." That wasn't funny. Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Hey! The fuck? Second entrance.
These kids seem to think it's funny to go around kicking people's doors in. There's some type of TikTok challenge going on. But it's not funny. And it looks like this guy on the couch was ready. Yeah, you lucky he didn't bug out like that guy did in last week's video. These homeowners are tired of this crap. You kids better cut it out. Meanwhile, in Notre Dame, Indiana,
Robot is stuck in the snow.
a food delivery robot gets caught in the snow.
Snow here at Notre Dame. There it goes. Woo! I can't figure it out. It's like, what do I do? Oh my god, this robot is fighting for its life, chat. It is fighting for its life. It made it. Wow.
Springfield Township, Ohio. A man under the influence crashes his truck inside of somebody's home. Rain footage shows the truck traveling at what appears to be accelerated speeds, failing to make a curve and continuing into a yard through a fence before hitting the home. Check this guy out. This guy comes over this neighbor's house taking photos, but they don't know this guy. Meanwhile, in Florida,
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Hey, how's it going?
Who is it?
Harris County Constable, this the police.
No, it's not. No.
If you look out the door, look. It's me, I'm right here. Can you see me?
What you need?
Hello?
What you need?
Whose car is this? The car in the driveway? The car in the driveway.
What you need?
Whose car is in the driveway?
It doesn't matter. What do you need?
You mean it doesn't matter? What do I need?
You on my property.
Man, why are you acting like this? I was coming to tell you that your door is open. And there's
Close it.
You close it, man. Your door is open and there's a
Close
person,
it.
okay?
what an attitude she has. People automatically assume that the cops are coming to cause them issues, but sometimes they're there for good. This is the perfect example. Looks like we got a hit and run here. These guys were caught on camera, still in this homeowner's air compressor. Hey, put that back. Can't leave anything outside. Akron, Ohio. In this next video, someone abandons a dog. They just leave him on the corner and drive off. What a heartless act. Why not just bring him to a shelter or something? Check this guy out. A homeowner catches this guy in the act trying to break inside of their house.
Who's here? What the hell are you doing at my house? You're on camera.
My bad.
Uh-huh.
No, don't.
That, oh.
Just a little sketch.
Looks like somebody needs to call the landlord. Looks like that guy oversteered. I don't think it was because of black ice. He just doesn't know how to drive. Meanwhile in Sacramento.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Hey, bring that back. This lady comes by on her cell phone with her nice, casual, nice lady clothes on, but she's wiggling doorknobs, so you better keep that door locked. Dressed like a school teacher. Yeah, she's out there. Looks like she's out there trying to burglarize somebody's house. That's not your house, lady. Meanwhile, in High Point, North Carolina, a moving team is there moving stuff out of someone's house when all of a sudden they notice this domestic dispute going on next door.
Let me get back to work, man. Let me get back to work. Ooh-wee. Hey, we gotta move this stuff out though. We done. I'm done. We gotta move this stuff out. Move that right there. Oh man.
This man's still on medication. He's not me because I want to see my kids. He's not me because I want to see my kids.
Mesa, Arizona. This guy was trying to break into this homeowner's house, but they caught him on camera. Let's see what happens.
Yo, what's up? Yo. What's up? What do you need?
I was told by the animals to meet you here.
What?
The dogs, they said meet you here.
What did you say? I'm calling the cops right now. Yeah, I'm calling the cops right now. You're not supposed to be there.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I got your face now. They're gonna be following you. You know what? I'm gonna step out.
Okay, thank you.
Leave now.
Cocopellis, 2 Cocopellis.
Leave the fuck now.
Get lost! Phoenix, Arizona. This Amazon worker noticed that this homeowner forgot to take the trash out, so he took it upon himself to take the trash out. Good stuff. Props to this Amazon worker. Meanwhile in Bakersfield, this homeowner thinks this guy is walking around the neighborhood with what looks like a pistol, but I think it's one of those gel blasters.
Hello? Hey, put it down. Get out of there.
Yeah. Meanwhile, in Sacramento, this guy's trying to charge his phone or something at this homeowner's house, but she's not having it. There's no free electricity over here.
Okay, I will.
No, get off my porch.
Okay.
Get the fuck out. Are you fucking dumb? It don't matter. You see somebody porch light on, are you stupid? Don't bring your dumb ass to my house no more. Before I blow your motherfucking brains out. I don't know, some dumbass nigga plugging this shit up on my porch. Scared the fuck out of me. I will chop his head off. Bro, I'm scared the shit. I thought that was... Shut the fuck up, it's okay. I thought it was home. Yeah. I seen it on my ring camera. That's what I'm saying. You have to keep them damn things paid. Yeah. But I was like, damn, I see a hat. And I was like, he ain't came through the door yet. And I'm just looking at the... Was he young? Huh? Was he young? I don't know. I scared the shit out of him. I told him I would blow his motherfucking brains out.
Thanks for watching, everybody. New episode coming tomorrow.
Let me get some shoes on. That shit scared me.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.